Hey guys, Mike here with Vaughn 3D. Quick flight on the B-58 with the DJI Avata in chase. The belly camera is a Runcam 4K screwed into the forward drop tank mount. In frame you can see the rear drop tank mount. It's a little diamond here. You can use an M3 screw to attach any external hardware you like. The Hustler has plenty of power, so even a bigger GoPro will be fine. I'm using two 4S SMC 4400 standard flight packs on this flight. These are the largest battery packs that will fit into the Hustler, and it has plenty of vertical performance. I got right at 5 minutes of flight time with the SMC 4S 4400s, and the airplane returned with 40% battery life remaining. I could have easily stretched the flight to 6 minutes with mixed throttle settings. If you want to download and print this airplane, the link is in the description. I sell the files for $25. On my Cults page, you can also download the build guide for free. I want to make sure that you know what you're getting before you purchase this jet. The build guide includes a complete parts list and step-by-step instructions on how to assemble the Hustler. On my Cults 3D page, you can also find my other 3D printable RC models. I have an F4E Phantom, an F106 Delta Dart, and a Vigan. The link to my Facebook page will also be in the description. If you build one of my models, let me know how it went. I'd love to hear your feedback. It's how I improve. If there is a plane you'd like to see next, make sure to put it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.